When it comes to managing financial projects in the construction industry, two tools you've likely come across are CoConstruct and Viewpoint Vista. But which one is actually the best for financial project management? Stay tuned, because we're going to break down the strengths and weaknesses of both, and by the end, you might just find an even better option that suits your needs. First off, let's talk about CoConstruct. It's a software built with home builders and remodelers in mind. One of its major advantages is how user-friendly it is. CoConstruct integrates project management with financial tools like budgeting, cost tracking, and invoicing all in one place. It helps with project scheduling too, so you're getting a holistic view of both time and money spent. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While it's intuitive, some users have found its reporting and accounting tools a bit lacking, especially when it comes to detailed financial forecasting. If you need something with deep, industry-standard financial features, CoConstruct might leave you wanting more. Next thing, let's look at Viewpoint Vista. This software is much more robust when it comes to financial project management. Vista specializes in construction accounting, including handling things like job costing, payroll, and financial reporting. It's a great choice if you need a more complex, feature-packed tool for larger companies. But the complexity can be a double-edged sword. While it's powerful, it also has a steeper learning curve. For smaller teams or those just starting out, getting a hang of everything can take time, and that might slow you down in the beginning. The third thing to mention is integration. CoConstruct does a good job of syncing with other platforms like QuickBooks, which is essential for managing finances seamlessly. But it does have some limits with larger enterprise-level integrations. If your business relies on other sophisticated software for accounting, this could be a downside. Viewpoint Vista, on the other hand, offers solid integration with various ERP and financial systems, making it a good option if you're running an enterprise that needs to sync its financial data across multiple systems. Still, the integration process can be more complicated and may require more technical know-how to set up. Another key point is the customer support and community. CoConstruct gets praise for its excellent customer service. They offer support through various channels and have a strong community of builders who share tips and advice. Viewpoint Vista, however, is a bit more hit or miss when it comes to customer service. Some users have reported slow response times, and the support team might not always be as responsive as you'd hope for such a complex tool. That said, Vista has a large community of users, and you can find helpful resources and guides online, though they may not always be as easy to navigate. The fifth thing to consider is cost. CoConstruct is generally more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting out. The pricing model is straightforward and based on the size of the company, which is a big plus for small to medium-sized contractors. Viewpoint Vista, however, is an investment. With its more advanced features and enterprise focus, it tends to come with a higher price tag, which might be overkill for smaller operations. You're paying for power and scalability, but it may not be necessary unless your business requires that level of complexity. Now, after trying both, I think CoConstruct is a great fit for smaller teams or businesses that don't need too many bells and whistles, but still want to manage budgets, costs, and schedules all in one place. Viewpoint Vista, on the other hand, is perfect for larger enterprises that require detailed financial reporting and can handle the complexity that comes with it. But here's the thing, while these tools are good, there's a better alternative out there. If you're looking for something that gives you the financial management you need, but without the headaches of complex setups or limited reporting features, I recommend checking out the link in the description. After testing everything myself, I can confidently say that the tool in the link offers a better experience for financial project management, and through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a try, and I think you'll agree it's the best option for managing financial projects in the construction industry. Don't miss out. Take advantage of the free trial today.